Along the rugged coastline of Northern California lies a world where the fog drifts slowly across untouched forests, where miles of sandy coastline meet the sound of crashing waves, and where silence becomes its own kind of luxury. Welcome back to the Worldly Traveler. Today, I'm taking you to Limantour Lodge, a secluded haven hidden within the beauty of Point Reyes National Seashore. If you love nature, serenity, wildlife, and truly immersive escapes, this place will steal your heart. Limantour Lodge is tucked deep within the park, the very definition of a retreat. Surrounded by forests, rolling meadows, and the iconic Limantour Beach just minutes away, the lodge is built for travelers who want pure quiet and authentic connection with nature. And unlike your typical resort, this place feels intentionally unplugged. No city noise, no distractions, nothing but the natural world. The rooms here are simple, warm, and comforting, designed with natural materials that echo the landscape. Soft lighting, handcrafted wood textures, and large windows that frame the forest outside. There's something magical about waking up to deer grazing right outside your room, or hearing the distant ocean as the fog rolls in at sunrise. This is Limantour Beach, one of the most pristine stretches of shoreline on the west coast. It's peaceful, expansive, and perfect for long, meditative walks. You'll find seals resting in the sand, pelicans gliding above the waves, and at times, entire stretches of beach with no one else around. Point Reyes is home to extraordinary wildlife, including tule elk, bobcats, foxes, and hundreds of bird species. The trails around the lodge take you deep into their world. If you visit early in the morning, you might even catch a herd of elk grazing in the golden light of sunrise. It's unforgettable. One of the best things about staying at Limantour Lodge is the access to world-class hiking trails. From coastal views to shaded forests, every path tells a story. Whether you're taking a peaceful walk along Muddy Hollow or trekking the coast trail to breathtaking cliffs, the landscapes here feel almost otherworldly. Although the lodge is remote, you're a short drive from local favorites in Point Reyes Station, artisan bakeries, farm-fresh cheese shops, and cozy cafes. And nothing beats enjoying simple, beautifully made food after a day of exploring the wild. Nights at Limantour Lodge are quiet, peaceful, and filled with the sound of nature. Sit by the fire, breathe in the crisp coastal air, and look up. You might just see some of the clearest stars in Northern California. Limantour Lodge isn't just a place to sleep. It's a place to reconnect with nature, with yourself, and with the quiet beauty of Point Reyes. If you're looking for calm, inspiration, and moments that feel timeless, this retreat may be exactly what you've been searching for. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible escapes from around the world. Until next time, keep traveling, keep exploring, and keep wandering.